Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said, I hate the things of unbelief. Keep believing in me. Keep your faith in me. Do not wave. I don't want you to be doubtful. I want you to believe in my words and I want you to believe in my promises. Keep watching. Keep your eyes on me. Keep moving to your destiny. Keep moving to the promises that I show to you. I want you to be a good hearer. Keep on listening to my convictions. I want your heart to be filled with my words. I want your heart to be filled with my presence. I want your heart to be holy and pure. And I don't want you to look behind. Remove the past pains. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.